In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning, my dear students, and how are you? I am Teacher Ala, and as usual, we will start together a new math period on today, Sunday, April 12, 2020. Get ready, bring out your textbooks and your workbooks and your pencils, and start watching this video with me and write down your notes. In this period, we will continue talking about capacity, and today we are going to estimate, measure, and compare capacity. The objectives in this lesson is to estimate, measure, and compare capacities in liters. Number 2, to use appropriate measuring instruments to measure or compare capacity. As you know from the previous period, capacity measures the amount of liquid that a container can hold. For example, if a container of milk has a capacity of 2 liters, this means that this container can hold 2 liters of milk inside it. We learned that we can measure the capacity using the unit liter. Also, we use the half liter. And liter can be written as L. Let's take few examples to know how can we estimate the capacity of a certain container. In this example, Tom has a bucket that is completely filled with water. He pours all the water into many 1-liter beakers. As you can see, the bucket filled 4 1-liter beakers. So the capacity of the bucket is 4 liters or 4L. In this example, we can find the capacity in another way. We can find the capacity of a bucket in liters by filling 1-liter bottle with water and pouring it into the container, and then repeat this step until it's all full. This means that you can bring an empty bucket and you can start filling it using 1-liter bottle filled with water. After that, you will count how many bottles you used to fill this bucket, and the number of bottles will be the capacity of the bucket. As you can see here, we needed 5 1-liter bottles to fill this bucket. So the capacity of the bucket is 5 liters or 5L. Now look back at these two containers and answer this question. Which has a larger capacity? Bucket A or bucket B? The red bucket or the blue bucket? In the previous example, we found that bucket A has a capacity of 5 liters and bucket B has a capacity of 4 liters. So bucket A has a larger capacity than bucket B, or the red bucket has a capacity greater than the blue bucket. Here is another example shows to us how can we compare between the capacities of two different containers. These two cooking pots have different sizes and different shapes. To compare between the capacities of these cooking pots, Min poured these cooking pots filled with water into several 1-liter bottles. She found that the capacity of the cooking pot A equal 2.5 liters because we have 2 containers or 2 1-liter bottles filled with water and half of the third bottle filled with water. So the capacity of the first cooking pot is 1, 2.5. The capacity of the second cooking pot is only 2 liters. So we say that cooking pot A has a larger capacity than cooking pot B. Or we say that cooking pot A has a capacity more than cooking pot B. We continue with comparing capacities with these new examples about these two water bottles. fill in the missing blank. Bottle A has a capacity bottle B. Notice that bottle A has the number 4L written on it. This means that the capacity of bottle A equals 4 liters. If you look at bottle B, you will find the number 3L written on it. This means that the capacity of bottle B equals 3 liters. So, since bottle A has a capacity of 4 liters and bottle B has a capacity of 3 liters, this means that bottle A has a capacity greater than bottle B. So, the missing blank will be greater than. Bottle A has a capacity greater than bottle B. Now, look at these two jugs and decide which has a larger capacity, jug A or jug B. To decide which one has the larger capacity, you have to find out the capacity of each one of them. As you can see, the capacity of each jug is written on it. The first jug or jug A has a capacity of 1 liter and jug B has a capacity of 1.5 liter. The one that has the larger capacity is jug B. So jug B has a larger capacity than jug A. In this worksheet, we are going to fill in the missing blanks with more than, less than. You can find that the ice cream tub can hold more than the plastic cup. So we say that the ice cream tub holds more than the plastic cup. The bucket holds more than the book tray. And the plastic cup holds less than the water bottle. This is the end of our math period for today. I hope that you understand it. How can we find capacity and how can we compare between two different capacities? Your homework is to do page 83 in the workbook. I am waiting for you to share your answers with me on the group, and I hope to see you soon. See you next time, and goodbye.